Hello everyone and welcome to a 2023 video. Happy New Year everyone! I haven't posted in quite a while. That is because I am not motivated. I am trying my best. Anyways, in the past 2 years I posted these 2 videos of how to have a preppy bio. But it didn't work out because my friend is now offline. I can't even make so many bios because there is over 200 people asking for one in my group, and it is driving me crazy. So today I will make a tutorial of how you can make one yourself. Let's get right into it. I will be doing PC and mobile version because a lot of you guys are struggling. So I will be using this user as an example. We will not copy her because it is not what we are supposed to do. Follow what I do. I will be using some of the symbols she used, like the top ones. You can go to any preppy user and use their symbols. I will link some. Just make sure to give credits. Go to this website called https://emojicombos.com/preppy. You can copy and paste one of these here. Some people made bios just for you to use. Don't delete their credits though. Go to a emoji combo and scroll down to find it. Follow what I do. I am going to a site called Aesthetic Symbols for Roblox because we need symbols that won't tag. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.